just to know you. To really taste and see. To really taste and see. To really walk with you. To really walk with you. Every moment, every day. To walk with you. To be with you. To have my eyes open to see you. To have my eyes open to see you. To have my heart open to know you. Every day, every day. This love is an everyday kind of love. Every morning I'm in it. This love is an everyday kind of love. Every evening I'm in it. Every evening I'm in it. This love. This love is an everyday kind of love. Every morning I'm in it. This love is an everyday kind of love. Every evening I'm in it. This love doesn't leave me all alone. And it never forgets its own. This love won't leave me 'cause my past is bad. Oh, when this love lifts me up above the waves, I don't need to be overwhelmed. Oh, when it raises me upon a rock, so my feet can finally stand on ground. It's every moment, every day, always. His love is every moment of every day, always. His love is every moment of every day, always, always, always. This love, oh, this love is an everyday kind of love. Every morning I'm in it. This love is an everyday kind of love. Every evening I'm in it. Oh, and this love never leaves you to walk a road alone. Oh, his voice calls out above the noise. Oh, and this love doesn't care if you don't think you can cut it. Oh, he takes you in and he lifts you up and he gives you faith so you can lift your head and unlike anything you've ever known. Oh, it doesn't make sense. This love, this love will ruin every fear. I don't need to be scared, that fear is ruined. Oh, this love makes it so you can finally be free. Oh, when there is no chain this love can't break. There is no chain this love can't break. There is no chain this love can't break. So be free. There is no chain this love can't break. So be free. Oh, and there is no chain this love can't break. Be free. There is no chain this love can't break. Be free. Yeah. Oh, there is no chain this love can't break. I believe it. Oh, there is no chain this love can't break. There is no chain. Oh, and there is no chain this love can't break.
Alrighty, Chad. How's everyone doing?
Joel, bro, it feels like a while since you've streamed. Feels like a while since you've streamed, bro.
What? You're not streaming?
Been a whole 8 minutes, I think.
Oh, yo. Wednesdays. Chad, we're going to check it out. Trading with Faith. Beautiful message shared there. Think some of you are too focused on the financial side of things and not focused on the spiritual things. Because I can promise you, you can have all of the money and be spiritually broke. Alright. I can show you many, many wealthy people that have everything. And they are looking for purpose in life. They are looking for that missing part. And that missing part is your relationship with God. The reason why a lot of these people still feel empty is because God created us for relationship with Him. So without them even knowing it, that part of their life that feels missing is we were created for relationship with Him, the Creator. I'm not here to try and convince you that there is a God. That is not what I'm going to try and convince you. I can just share stories of how I have seen God do things in my life, which is not coincidence. We spoke about it this morning. We tend to always want to try and rationalize something that is from God as a coincidence. And it's not. So go and watch it, Chad. Don't just come for the financial food. There's a little bit of spiritual food as well. But we're going to get going here, Chad. We have round 5 today, Keegs.
That's it.
So we are going to get straight into the decks. Chad, who already tried to short gold? I feel some of you already tried to short gold.
Sure. They'll see in flames if they try to short gold.
Who's shorting gold? We don't judge you. Drop a 1 in the chat if you have been trying to short gold. Yesterday you were trying to sell it, and now this morning you are trying to... Sorry, yesterday, yeah. And now you're trying to sell again. Drop a 1. No shame here. Let me know. Okay, so nobody. Beautiful. Okay,
Sitting on my hands. There we go.
nice. Okay, Chad. But let us have a look. What do we have on deck here? We've had CPI coming out of Britain, lower than expected. That's going to be that's going to be negative for the pound, because that's going to increase the idea of likely rate cuts as inflation starts stalling in the UK. We've got some CPI coming out of the Eurozone, 12 o'clock. US data is still, you get it, you don't get it, I don't know. So relatively straightforward day. Starting off the dollar looking very weird zone we are in currently, if I'm being very honest with you guys. Yesterday closing bearish, but closing bearish above this previous zone. But important part that I want to share with you guys this morning is that the dollar took a previous daily high, even though it's just a little nip there, failed to hold above. So I would expect the dollar to be trading into this zone right here, potential demand area. So relatively bearish on the dollar for me. US 30 getting absolutely crushed yesterday. Equities looking very, very fragile at this stage. So if I look at equities, we've got a potential demand zone right down here. We've got the yearly R1 sitting right there. We also have this zone right here. Okay. And then we've got this little intermediate zone right there. So these are the zones that we currently have to work with. At what stage do we start pulling back? I don't know, but we are still effectively bearish. These are the zones that we are looking at. Looking at the lower time frame, what is happening here? You can see that we are trading back above Asia lows. So, Chad, it's going to be a tough one, toughie. If we can hold above Asia highs, I do think we can see some type of recovery bounce play here today. Otherwise, something like this is just going to be absolutely chop and you can leave it. So only idea here is Asia highs, correcto. NAS daily crushed. Where are the bulls? Where's capitalism going to? All right. Same with NAS. We are at an area that we can potentially bounce. We haven't taken any previous daily lows or anything. Same thing for me with the NAS. We're going to have to see something above here. Otherwise, chopped for the day. And you can just delete it for the day. Gold on the daily. Beautiful. Beautiful trade scored yesterday. I don't know if Keegan shared that with you guys. But yeah, Project G, beautiful 4-hour play. We waited. When it came, it was instant 100 pips. No drawdown, Keeks.
No
Literally
drawdown.
entered, boom, TP, done within a 5-minute candle. Trade I took on stream. I took a break even, 2 break evens, and then that win. Beautiful. Gold on the daily, we spoke about this still being that bullish leg up. I was looking for that potential reversal in this zone. One thing to look out for on the weekly, I'm still bullish. Remember that wick fill. What I absolutely love about gold now, and I don't think I will turn bearish again this week unless I see something significant. We took the previous weekly low and failed to hold below it, so that for me is super positive. So I do think we go for that wick fill now. So I am as bullish as can be. Looking on the lower time frames, what do we have here?
Oh, we missed 2 of our trades on gold today already.
But the one is out of session there. The 5-minute play was out of session.
This one.
That's out of session. Yeah. Remember
that's true.
the
That
5
is
minute.
true.
That's why I didn't take it. So gold, I am bullish. Whether we get a pullback here, that is the idea I've got, testing that previous daily high. But we could also have something where we are just absolutely going to run, and then I'm actually going to look for a short, a little pullback play at 1.44122. So I'll miss all of this if I don't get a setup that's clear. That is my potential short zone for a little pullback. But we will see if we get some type of pullback. We might not get a pullback. This thing might just run, and that's fine. Then I'll grab my little piece of the market up there. But Chad, that is the rapid fire analysis. Over to Keegs. Let me just see why I can't see Keego's screen. There I can see it. Beautiful. Keego, over to you, my brother. Bonang is coming back on Monday. He was here this morning. Came to visit us.
So you guys will see the man back in action soon.
Monday.
That's gonna bother me. Oh, there we go. Mine's even got a little. Okay, I can't go wrong. But there we go. Chad, let's get into it. Starting off with the dollar. If I'm correct, I think today we had news coming out, eh?
It shows not available.
Does it? I was gonna say, I'm sure today we were meant to have. I just want to see there quickly, Chad. Today was meant to be. Yeah, no, actually, we just have FMC meeting minutes tonight, and that's nothing special. Okay, never mind. Let's get back into it then. What are we looking at for the dollar? Again, same, guys. Still neutral. Reason being that we're not really breaking anything yet. Remember I said to you guys, the big thing for me is right now, monthly pivot, 99,500. As much as we are here, it's a big range, but dollar can do anything at this point. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. But when we look at this lower time frame, I just closed the window somehow. That's interesting. Sorry, Chad, I don't know. This keyboard's doing funny things here now. But we are sitting in this range. What I want to monitor is see what happens. If I'm being bearish, remember we were talking about Monday, Tuesday, you want to see things go and see where that moves around. But at this point in time, we can get a little bit of a pullback. So we're going to have to monitor that and see what comes into play. On the 1 hour, what are we going to be watching for? Yeah, again, holding there, coming back down. So it is starting to show us a little bit of momentum. When we drop to a little bit of a lower time frame, what can we watch out for? Is that Asia lows, Asia highs? We're sweeping the lows at the EQ at the moment. Now, again, this can still go bearish. I think the last area before it really floods is going to be previous daily lows if that fakes out. But for where it is sitting right now, we could see the idea of breaking Asia lows, holding that area. And if it breaks bullish, we could see that move from Asia lows to Asia highs. But again, just to watch that area and see what comes into play, but still very neutral outlook there. US 30, this thing has just been absolutely tanking for us. Yesterday, we wanted to see that sell pressure that came in very, very nicely. But today, again, going to be a little bit of a neutral outlook, and that's purely because we had that yearly R1. That is a major level, and we always talk about these major levels. I want to see price come alive. So we can see we tested it, ranged a little bit, tried to come back, setting Asia lows, and then trading bullish again. So very, very simple for us here today. What I want to monitor is what happens with Asia highs. Do we see a bit of a drive of volume since we have these all sitting there? We also will be trading above the 200. And then obviously going for the EQ. Do we break above or do we reject and get a grabber play coming into it over here? So we're just going to monitor for that. But if it does reject Asia highs, we come back down. As I said, that's where we're going to monitor the move coming down. And again, once we get underneath that yearly resistance, I think it's just going to waterfall again after that. Then lastly, with gold, I'm definitely bullish. As I said to you guys yesterday when I did the New York breakdown for you, I already said to you, if you were paying attention, the position we would be holding that for is going to be 40,111. So 4111 over there. You can see it's at the weekly pivot. And that is the move we've been watching for today. Slowed, had a little bit of a pullback yesterday. Now trading back into it again today. Nice. What I want to see is that we took out those wick highs, previous daily highs, and sitting very, very comfortably above that. So when we monitor it over there, Asia lows, Asia highs, your nice drive of volume. And again, we haven't taken the daily R1 yet. So if this pulls back, as long as it can hold this, I would look to still go long after that. But you guys know the drill. If we can get some like daily R1, maybe consolidates a little bit there and then a break again, I will still go for that, for the idea of daily R2 to come into play. But Chad, that is everything from me.
Chad, there we go, ladies and gents. What is... Okay. 7 minutes. Seven minutes. Nas bar is looking juicy. All right. Morning chat, it's ridiculously cold in the UK right now. Kribo is super locked in on red sick. Chad, don't be weird, don't unfollow us on Instagram and then still hang around on our stories, please. We see you guys, don't do that.
Huh? Oh, is this?
Don't unfollow us and then hang around on the stories. Save yourself the time of going to the search bar and searching for us. Just follow us back again. It's weird. No, Brian will come forth. Stay. Wait. Yeah.
I think she's gone.
I won't say thank you.
What did I want to see here now? Bro, by the way, did you see all the gaming streams you had scheduled on the TG show?
Bro, I need to figure that thing out. Oh my sack.
Is it all of the people we're talking about or one of them?
Another one.
Let's go have a look here.
That's just weird because now we're sitting in your search bar. Just follow us. We still love you. Brian, be honest, you have a beanie on, my brother. And we're not even going to judge you for a beanie. That head being exposed to the elements could be tough. Yeah, I need to figure it out because we technically have 2 channels on one YouTube profile and I don't know how to... I know what you know what Brian does in the evenings, Keeks, now with the winter. He the warm water bag, he lets Plumena put her hands on, and it's like, yo babe, just put your warm hands on my head a little bit, and she gives him like a Indian head massage, but she warms up her hands. And she's like, Brian, your dome is so smooth. This weather's actually doing it. Feels so nourished and moisturized. No, it's Iberogast, Brian. for some reason, as of late, I might need to go back to the sleep clinic. When I sleep with that thing, bro, that thing bloats. It pumps me up with air. I'm almost like a tractor tire. When I wake up in the mornings, I'm just blown up, my dude.
Bro, I wouldn't even lie. That's actually a feature Instagrammers bring. That you can just search in your story views.
Just go in your story and go viewers.
I am, but I'm scrolling, bro.
scrolling.
It's like...
Brian, be honest. Plamena does the war man thing. I like your menstrual water bottle, Chris. Hi. Alrighty, Chad. Can we get a trade yet today? I like what I'm seeing. Dollar fighting the good fight of faith. Kribo, I have a good podcast idea for you. Ronaldo, drop him, my brother. Let's hear it. Yeah, I think that pressure is too much. I must get the nose one. My sleep score was bad. But I also think it's because I'm a little fluish now. Little ember of fire.
By the way, did you actually see World Rugby reverse the red card, eh?
Really?
Yeah, it's a yellow card.
So no sanction.
No sanction.
There we go.
We still have the red card from France though, but no Italy red card.
That was France. It was Franco. No.
No, that was Franco now.
Oh, it was Loot. It was Loot.
Yeah.
It was Loot.
Loot the Jaeger.
Nah, my bro, I don't even think it's necessary. They roast themselves, so I'm not gonna. Chad, but with that being said, markets are open and in motion, baby. This is the official round 5, and let's go. Ding, ding, ding.
Round 1. Fight.
I think the box must. Bro, imagine that. Starting the game with 14 men. Rassi should just do that.
Eliminate the problem before it's already there.
Just go in with 14 men. If we get a red, then we bring on our 14th again. Beautiful gold. Do it for the boys. For the boys.
So how long do you think we're going to sit here today?
Bro, the chat jinxed us. They're like, we don't like these quick TPs. We want to stream.
Yeah. Chad did
Yesterday,
us dirty, bro.
yesterday we had to put in a shift. A shifterino. Chad said Dan will stream for many hours until thine hits TP. Come on, go just a little lower. But that little trade now from yesterday afternoon spoiled us now. Now we want to take a trade in the first 5 and be done the next 5. Now we don't want to wait. Yo. Don, I need to figure out. I want to try and figure it out now after stream. Keegs, where did you see the red card reversal?
Facebook now. I posted it.
Hey, Jacksazana Manana. Alrighty, gold. What shall thine instrument produce? Hey, beautiful incognito. Oak's calling me. No, Jax, nobody's calling you, my brother. You know the thing with Ox and Che being potential player of the year, Keegs? He's got the potential to make props great again. He's single-handedly got the potential to bring the props back into the chats. Where usually, if you went out with the mates on tour, the props were usually sitting alone. The centers and the fly-offs, they were the ones chatting to the chicks. Now potentially Ox can really redeem the props, Keegs. Now the props can say we also pull chicks. And we didn't have to wait for the scavengers here on the side. The one mate of mine that played at the Bulls.
Yeah.
I'm not going to mention the Bulls player, but it was a prop. So they would just be dressed in civvies. And the only way he could pull is he had his Blue Bulls shirt on after the game. Just to pull a little bit. They're like, bro. He's like, nah, dude.
Hey, times are tough, bro.
Dude, I'm a prop. I need every bit of advantage I can get. Morning, what time frame are you looking at? I'm currently looking at the 5 minute. It's weird that it does not give you. That is very weird. It does not show 5 minutes. Let me see if I can fix that for you, my brother. But it is interval. Let's see. Oh, there we go. 5. Sorry, man. That was switched off. Saucy, saucy. Victor, yeah, it's not easy, my brother. You need to somehow isolate yourself mentally and just focus on the task at hand. Oxen Chair is a firm prop who should start his own prop firm. It's not horrific. I'm gonna give you a little one. Maybe start a little academy called the Prop Firm. Pumping out props that can not just only scrum but pull chicks as well. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate it. I think Ed missed his calling. He could have been a solid prop man, Ed.
Yeah.
Ed is almost like a beast and an oxen chair that combined. And Ed's head shape, he could absolutely ruin the oaks, as Lou said. That little head of Ed there on the chest of the tight head. Joe, Ed, you could have cracked some chest bones there. Etienne, ja, ek moet. Dis op my lysie. Ek gaan met my voorskrif vir my maandeliks happy pilletjies ook gaan kry, so gaan ek dit sommer gryp. Nah, yeah, that's the thing, bro. At that level, all you need to do is scrum well.
That's brilliant in the scrums, average at everything else.
At that level, I don't think guys know how important a scrum is. Like in the World Cup, like in 3 games, the scrum is what turned the game around for us. Like the penalty.
Scrum, penalty, kick for balls.
So yeah, like at schoolboy, they want you to do all of the fancy stuff, but at high level, bro,
I mean, if you look at Ox, bro, like, I mean, his ball skills aren't the worst, but he's solid in the scrums. He can operate in the line-out and defense.
Yeah,
like a back line, like a winger is going to step in, but I mean, if you run at him, he's not missing a tackle.
he's gonna pump you.
Like, that's it.
Bro, how mad would that be? So there's never been a prop that won Player of the Year. You serious?
I personally think it's between Ox and Louis.
Louis,
Bielbire, the winger, the French
you
winger.
don't think Steph is in the mix? Why not?
The thing for me is Steph, I feel because you literally the previous year's Player of the Year, you almost get a natural selection again for the next year to kind of defend it.
And was Peter Steph last year?
And
Oh,
if you
so-
if you take the guys and go, you compare him to his own seasons, he didn't have his best season now. I
Yeah.
wouldn't even say it was up
Because
there
he
with
was
his other
injured, he
seasons.
was injured as
So,
well.
and Marks, for me, Marks had a very, very slow start to the season where he ramped up to the end. But I'd even say to a point, you can argue Marks cost us a lot of the games, like, for example, Australia. The lineouts were horrific, which cost us that game against Australia.
True.
So
true.
he did get a lot better to the end, but I think it's between Ox and Louis. And even breakout player of the year, bro. I think it's gonna go to the Aussie. Flip, what's his name? I don't think Ethan's gonna get it. That Aussie who plays center. I think he's got it. Surely, yeah. If that bloody Englishman wins it, I'll give up, bro. I hate that kid. He's like my new Owen Farrell.
With the blonde hair.
Yeah,
Got a little bit of main character on him.
bro.
Little main character Juju.
Yeah,
Is he good though?
bro. So average. He's so overrated.
Keeks, we need to quickly chat about this player. Oh, it's a toughie. It's a toughie.
Technically, Sasha should win after the year he's had, but yeah, bro. The thing is, they beating Sasha on rules because he played like one game and then benched the other one last year, so that was his year. $185 in trades, barely 8 days out of the whole year. Trading is most disciplined, but you still need to show up daily because opportunity can't be timed.
Oh, I missed it. I missed it.
Nah, I have no issue with it, but that kid's attitude's completely wrong. I mean, bro, did you see the video that Henry Pollack, Dwayne still reviewed it? And they're like, yo, they saw the video and he was like, that whole thing of keep quiet until they name a better player than you. Bro, man keeps chip still. He reckons he's better than Artie Severe. He's better than Thingy, Island's number 8. He's better than all these boys. Dwayne even said, he's like, you know what, he would come out of retirement just to run at that bloody Pollock once.
There's a guy's name Pollock.
Yeah. Dwayne would chow him, bro. Like I said, and again, you can't back it up. He's average. He really isn't like amazing.
I think it's the
Dwayne would annihilate him. Let alone a Jasper and all these guys. And I mean, the O can't even barely start for freaking England. He comes off the bench the whole time. And I almost argue he's the best 8 in the world.
Okay, I've got a plan, yeah, Keegs. I've got a plan, my brother.
Eddie, but you see, that's the difference though. Like, and I agree with that. There is players who are impact players, so they really they play to come off the bench. But, and Kwaka's that person, but Kwaka's also not going to go tell you he's the best flanker in the world. But But you know what it is? Henry also made his comments on the Springboks, but I think it's because as much as he's done everything, he hasn't played the Springboks yet.
No, they will pump him, my brother.
I love how a lot of people are creating the protest now. Have you seen the petition that they want to be like, we must chalk the Wales game and South Africa must play England?
Just, bro, they should have played.
Like,
him.
what's, bro, we're wasting our time with Wales. Like, come on. Just let us go play England. A little bit of a drive uptown and we go play.
Then
these
we could have
little
had the
bonnies.
Grand Slam, eh?
Yeah. But did you see what's the name? Wales? 'Cause obviously they announced the tournament for next year. And then they showed the meme, bro, with Wales and like Wales celebrating their win over Japan. And then they see the draw for the tournament. First two games, Wales versus the All Blacks, Wales versus the Springboks. Bro.
Hey now, doctor.
First two games, you're going to get pumped.
Hey now, doctor. Sit picky soulful.
Oh. Yo, Wales got unlucky there, bro.
Pumpy.
What happens with the VF sale of one day? After the first withdrawal, does it stay on demand or go back to bi-weekly?
Bi-weekly, Stefan.
You know, bro, so what I would look for is, remember we spoke about that, what we're waiting for? But if we get a normal 5-minute setup now, I'll take that, so.
Check what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the pure setup. The pure. I'm waiting for the Peter Steph to toy.
The one we said we were waiting for.
You could have taken off to 1 minute. I know Laz has got a little 1 minute hybrid.
Yeah. Did you
How
see
was the game last night with Chocos and Primordial?
Who's Primordial or who's that?
It's one of my both of them played CS:GO.
Choco wasn't bad. Primordial, I had high expectations, but I mean they weren't bad, bro. I mean they dropped 3 kills each, 4 kills each, but they just don't have comms, and they would like.
What's on Chocos also has a baby. That's why.
Like there was a point, like he said, I know his mic was very soft. It was better after that, but then after that, they're like, yeah, the team's just not. I think when that's the only thing, it's all lacquer when you play with someone, but like unless they a full on sweat, then you still need that team to gel a bit.
So Chocos was one of the best PUBG players in South Africa. He played in some invitationals and stuff.
Yeah, I think we just need him to. We just need that squad, for example, to play a bit more together. I think it could be a very
He
good
had
squad.
like I think 6,000 or 7,000 hours on PUBG.
But bro, so last night when we started playing, like halfway through the games, my
Lag.
sensitivity settings just chalked.
Yeah, my
We
stuff.
landed the one game on golf. That's what I still said. I was like, oh
No, but
shit,
it's
boys.
lag.
Like, bro, I landed, and literally when I went in, my sensitivity dropped to 12 or something. Bro, I felt like I was doing this just to turn like that.
No, I had lag.
I was like, what is going
Did
on
you not
here?
have lag? I had such bad lag, and every time I logged in, my settings would go back to default. So I would change it, go out of the game, come back in default.
I don't know. I actually didn't check my settings, so that might have also gone up. But yeah, like the one game, like I dropped and my flipping sensitivity was muddy. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, I
then I
slashed
was-
in mine as well.
After my entire sensitivity. Yeah, I was also did.
Okay, bro. So let's say before we played, I went solo with quad, and I'm like locked in. I land, I pistol 2 guys, pick up the gun. One guy execute. I see the other two guys. I wipe, squad wipe. The other guys were here. I'm like, boys, just out. 4 kills in, just dropped. Go out. Guys come from the other building. I squad wipe them. I'm now on 8 kills. Boys are still running around. I'm like, guys, please, just assist here. Running around. Again, take out 2 guys. They were literally 10 meters. They're watching me engaging the guys. Just standing there. Think I dropped a 10 bomb. I'm like,
Chad, you know what makes me so happy now is he's feeling my pain now. When I tell the boys we're pushing, we're doing this, I'm engaged, I'm sweating on these oaks, and then I'm like, I can see on the map, my teammates are like 3 rooms away from me, and I'm like, what are you oaks doing?
They like down there.
You can hear and you can see on the map I'm in combat, and you oaks like, hey, you down? Oh, what must we do? Like, come on, boys.
Dude, I had a fire start. Like after the squad wipe. Oh yeah, sorry. I had the squad wipe. Then they were shooting at my teammates on the roof. So I slid up with that little warehouse. Slid up with the zipline thing. So they're shooting at the guys. I wiped that squad. I'm like, boys, help. There's 2 other guys. Nah, bro.
Like you got Chad. You can ask Chris. I showed him the one day. I said, bro, this is your team needs to get to this point where they gel, and they need to flip and just be awake. They need to be aware, because I said to him, watch here. These oaks play, they run. They almost each player is about 4 meters, because you also never want to be on top of each other, because then they just beam you all together. So you space yourself out a little bit, but you need to be close enough to react to each other. So the quicker you can react, the more you can start spreading yourself out amongst each other. And these guys go into combat, and the minute that one guy fires around and they go into combat, you see all of that team on the mini map, how they redirect themselves to go to where that bullet was shot, and they all fluctuate to each other. Where it's like with us, bro, by the time I'm dead, I'm nearly being revived, then my team goes, oh shit, bro, are you dead? What happened? I'm like, boys, come on, gents.
Yeah,
Remember
it
that
is.
yesterday, we had actually a good round with Jex though.
No, Jake's didn't play with us yesterday.
Jordan played with us.
Jordan played well.
Jordan played well yesterday. Jordan was switched on yesterday.
I think he dropped like an 8 bomb.
Yeah, we had a good round where we nearly won, where we had the
sweated, bro.
I think all of us we did like a 7-6-5.
Yeah.
Like that was a good round.
Jordan was in full sweat mode.
Jordan was locked in yesterday.
Played in Boer Kribo. Jordan was that one game he was switched on, my dude. He was reviving, he's running, he's gunning, he's plating. I was still a spectator. I was like, Jordan. Jords.
Jay, we told you all you guys can join. Just as long as you're not one of those people who lock in, who join, and then you're gonna sit here looking at the sky, and if you locked in, then I'm okay. You can jam with us.
George was Slash and Carl. I don't know. They struggled to lock in last night.
I love Carl at the end of it. Boys, I'm gonna log off tonight. I'm gonna go read the manual again. I'm gonna just figure out all the controls how this game works.
Yes, dude. Nah, I felt how you felt. I'm like, boys, I just want 2 kills from you.
Like that's it, bro.
Just two.
Like for me, if you finish a round, like that was the one thing. Like if you think about it, that's what I was saying. That squad we had last night at the end, like that can be a very good squad if we just gel together. Because again, no hate on our other boys, yeah, but we finish a game, and the squad has got 7 kills, with like one of us having 4, 1 5, and then or 2, and then 0 0, and that's 7 kills. Where last night we came 11th.
No, it was top 10.
Well, I think we came 9th. We came 9th.
Yeah.
I remember at the end we got stuck in the building, and that was 19 kills.
Yeah.
And that was the first game with that squad playing together. Like, that's what I say. If you can have that consistency with a solid squad.
No, Choco's was a sweat, bro. Me and him. So I told the guys,
Like
George.
I said, we could have won. There was only there at the end. Choco and the other guy.
With the tank.
We lost Mark. So when we got caught in between those two teams with the tank, we took the tank out, and then the two teams, they eliminated us off because there was no communication with each other.
But just to give you an idea, we worked a 40-hour week, and our stats on CSGO was 60 hours a week.
You know you had a cut game when the major stat is how many chests you looted. Bro, when I said there the other day, I'm looking at Carl and myself and chatting, and I'm like, because when you go into profile, it shows you like your major achievements. So it tells you like your headliners. So for example, like highest kills in the game, and then like most objectives played and most defensive kills while obtaining an objective and all this. And I'm like to Carl, I'm like, bro, what's your stat? He's like, I don't see those. I'm like, what are you talking about? He's like, mine's like, what?
Fell off a building,
looter in
survived.
the team. Most miles traveled by vehicle. And I'm like, what are we doing here, bro?
Upgraded your gun the most times without shooting a shot. Bro, look at that Asia I play. Sisa.
How does Racing compare to actual OG Warzone?
No, Red Sec is...
I must say I'm enjoying
I've
Racing a
never
lot
played
more.
OG Warzone.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it a lot more.
Hello.
The Asia high level is some witchcraft. Menti's way better. Yeah. Warzone's cuck. Nah, I'm over Warzone now, bro. Like, okay, Menti, let's give me an idea now, hey, like, and I said to the guys, because a lot of them haven't played actually Warzone. I was trying to explain this to them yesterday. Yes, they had the first...
Sorry, is Warzone Battlefield?
That's Call of Duty.
Oh, cool, okay.
With Buffalo's Gaming?
That's
Warzone, that's gaming.
Oma?
Yeah, so I'm showing them that, and I said, guys, you have to understand one thing I respect with the boys. They risked it. So the first update came in Battlefield yesterday, and there's been issues, which I'll probably even say by today midday they'll probably have fixed all those issues with the bugs. But they brought their first update, and they brought so many more improvements to life, new features, already new guns, new things, new like whole ways to play the game. And like I said, then with Call of Duty, bro, we waited almost a year to get some few new stupid features. So the fact Battlefield's done that in the first update, which has been what, 2 weeks, a week, I'll take my hat off to them. Like, they really are locked into to build a good game.
I think we need to comment here on the patch notes because
I commented yesterday with all the guys.
the audio.
Not the audio, when I commented yesterday, because I actually said to Thingy when I was like, yeah, it is an issue, because everyone was commenting they were having that same issue trying to search for games.
Where's the patch notes? But the audio, they have to fix the audio. You can't. Sometimes I think there's somebody behind me and I hear my own footsteps.
No, they did fix the audio. You just have to change your audio setting.
To what?
You have to go stereo and then
So not 3D.
No. So you have to, if you run in any headset, run it on stereo.
Yeah.
And then to get optimum 3D sound, you have to put it to the audio custom setting or whatever, and it's night time or something, and then that's perfect. Mine's clear, bro. Like, I don't hear like my footsteps over other people's
Will you
anymore.
send me screenshots?
Yeah. No, they did address that. So they did fix it, but you have to just change the
settings. Is there a new
settings.
Battle Royale map coming or not? Because why does it say California Conquest, but we're still in...
It's the same thing. So where it is, it's more the multiplayer. They've in multiplayer, they basically subdivide the maps, and there's areas, so you kind of run to get special objectives. So for us now in Red Sec, there's not really one.
I have no clue what to write here, so I'll just say I'm gay.
All right. So hard to win what time you play tennis? Whenever we get a gap, really.
When are we going to get a proper solo PvP?
There's no NFP, my brother.
There's only PNF.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't have to waste the comment here. Is the audio good?
No, it's good. Slash
Are you happy with it?
I'm happy.
Okay.
Slash, I even say, bro, like I don't have an issue with it, eh? I mean, it does take getting used to. There is, I mean, the feel of the guns are completely different in Call of Duty, but you'll catch it quick enough. And then the movement mechanics, I'd say, are pretty similar, bro. What I will say is they're slower. Like, movement in Call of Duty is way faster.
Bro, what? MF asshole bastard player. Please report this stream profile. What is this plus rep solo win with AWP?
I don't know, bro. I don't know these youngsters that speak in tongues like this, bro.
Pleasant to team. Always delivers when it counts. On fire. Plus rep. Cool moves. Plus rep. Good.
Have a good day, y'all. I've taken my cut from the markets. Hey, well done, brother.
How's Keegan's nipples that I miss rubbing? Jen, I think you into that stuff. We might start an OnlyFans where it's milking Keegan's joker. Hi, krachtwoordjie waar al deurkom. Hello, mate. Bro, I don't even know people can.
People are wild, bro. I was just new trader, new to the stream. Please correct me if I'm wrong. We're waiting for a retest down and then it should go up. Something like that, yeah. Key for me, I came from like very fast-paced games like Apex and shit, so getting used to it a bit strong. No, that's what I said, bro. I will say it is slower. Like, yeah, 100%. I mean, Apex, even Call of Duty, the movement is a lot faster paced. I still said to the guys, like, you can see a Call of Duty player on Battlefield, the way they move. Because we all know Call of Duty movement's king. So once you can do all that, it's a whole different thing. So I do agree with you there. But yeah, no, I do agree with you. I come from Minecraft. I still use slide cancels, 100%, bro. I also do.
Bro, where can I see my my infantry
In what?
of my items on Counter-Strike?
I don't know, bro. I don't play Counter-Strike. So I don't know where you would find that.
I want to check what's the...
Wait, just go up. What's your armors on Counter-Strike?
No, just 2,500.
And what's your armors on Battlefield 6?
85.
Chad, that's the thing also. You guys will see, and that's again, you talk about those natural, like, instincts. You can see where we come from Call of Duty. You can see Chris comes from Counter-Strike. Because this man is allergic to aiming down sights. He's always just hip firing, bro. That's it.
Yeah, bro. That's...
You right into Chris. That guy will be on the outside of the map, and
Yo.
Chris is still just like, bah, 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 bah. He will not aim down those sights, bro.
Where do I... So I've got about 25,000 Rand worth of cases.
Bro, did you get Elden Ring?
Yeah.
Did you actually play it?
I played it for 2 hours. Nah, it wasn't for me, bro. Played it.
You're not like a Dark Souls player.
Nah, everyone was like, Elden Ring. Played it 2 hours. I'm like, nah.
Nah, it is very good, but if you're not a Dark Souls person, you won't enjoy it. But it's the same as Black Myth Wukong. Chad, this man's like talking to me like, I'm like, bro, I love this game. Like, I'm shocked this game doesn't get Game of the Year. And yeah, he's like, yeah, I watched all the videos on it. I don't need to play it now. I'm like, what? Like, how do we get there?
That's not for me. This fizzy bubbly.
And you can see it with his pistol kills also, Gigs, yeah.
What's in my card here?
Apex.
Battlefield 6.
What is that, bro? Memoria. What is that? Is that like a strategy game?
Yeah, I quite dig these type of games, this city building.
I used to, bro. Age of Empires. Age of Mythology.
There's my
What's the other one?
infantry.
Command and Conquer.
Okay. I've got a 10-year veteran coin, Keeks.
What does that mean?
I've been playing the game for over 10 years. So
That's committed.
so you get your 5-year. No, I think you get your 1 year. You get your 5-year. Let me see. I think some of these cases go for quite a bit. 28 rounds.
Yeah, I know the red check pistols are lethal. Ghost of Yote finished it, my brother. What a game. If you paid Ghost of Tsushima, and I mean, it lives up right up next to it. It is, without giving away like spoilers and stuff. I don't know what you've watched on it, but yeah, 100% love that game. Finished it, clocked it, got a little platinum on it. Amazing game.
I can't believe they killed this game, yo.
1v1 Deagle battle for 5k one step. In what game?
Bro, when I was on my prime, I would 100% absolutely. Who said that?
Yeah, Tina's, yeah, we locked in battle.
Mark Lawrence, sorry, my brother. I would have absolutely raped you, my brother. So, me and Chocos, we played
in
against.
CSGO. Bro, that's like you literally go into. Okay, when last did you play CSGO?
No, many years ago. No, I said it when I'm in my prime. So, we played against 2 esports teams. One was Energy that we played against, and the other one, no, I would have raped him, my brother. Like I said, I was spending more time on this game than actually working in a week. Eyes bled in the mornings. I would have absolutely, nah. Me and Chocos, I would say, were in the top 30 players in SA with CSGO. Where is the chroma cases? 65. But I don't like Counter-Strike 2, so I don't think I'll ever play. I don't think I'll ever play this. I'll just become a god in Red Sec. Oh, it's these ones. 322 rand a case. These glove cases. 84 rand. 80 rand. Oh yeah, it's the glove cases that are quite. I think the Chroma 2 is Gamma, 80 rand. Falcon, 31. Where's the Chroma? Let's go Gamma. Only 87. 178, wow. I must actually put all of this on the market. Oh, this. But the only thing is, now you sit with 25,000 rand in your Steam account. What do you do with it?
Bro, because some of those crates are worth thousands and thousands. Like, if you get the Karambas and start it with a unique color, you're rich forever. But I'm sure you can withdraw the money from your...
Only use it. There is a store where you can actually...
It's fine, bro. You can sell some of these things and then you can gift me some games for Christmas.
I must actually sell all of this stuff. 223.
What's the most expensive thing in there?
No, it's like 400 rand for one of the
Uh.
cases. But some of the cases I'll have like 10. So it's like 4,000 rand. And some I have 10 that's like 3,000 rand.
But then can't you get something from the case which is going to give you something? You can withdraw the cash. There you go.
Really?
I'm sure you can, bro. There's a new PC for you, bro. Free, it's free money.
Damn, Chad. It's just we've spent money on this game as well.
Dota, bro, has some stupid expensive things. Some of the skins, bro.
Yeah, so the Invoker, what is the Invoker one? I think it's like, no, but Counter-Strike, some of the knives there is like 60k.
Oh my word, bro.
Yeah.
Cases paid for the new PC. Yeah, Kirby, you can withdraw money from the store. You'll sell your items to other players.
So can I now, when I've got money in it, can I withdraw it? Then you must show me. But I'm thinking keeping those cases.
Keys, you want a knife with a very, very rare skin.
Krivo, show the chat the AWP Dragon Law.
But then you never use it.
Factory new $12,000.
Huh?
Yeah.
And why is it just a skin?
No, yeah, it's a skin, but you own it.
I think for sure if I own it, but it's a skin.
Let's check knives. I like the Bowie knife, the sound it makes when you pull it out. It makes a sick sound. No, is it the Bowie knife? Which one is the one? The sound mechanics I love. The butterfly knife I also like.
No, bro, you freaking Counter-Strike players aren't like
Oh no, the Huntsman. It's the Huntsman knife. It's got like this sounds like you pull out a sword. But the guys love the Karambit because it's got a nice little like what do you call it?
No, I must say
Animation.
all the videos I've seen, the guys are always playing with this.
So it's got an animation where you flick it around your pinky and stuff. So bayonet average. I don't dig the bayonet. Flip knife also is quite cool with that sound it makes when you open it up. Oh, these are weird. I never liked them. Skeleton knife.
You Counter-Strike players.
Yes, but I was a god with the AWP kicks. Absolute weapon with the AWP. I'll never forget the ace I got on Inferno for the guys that know. Chad, I'm still waiting there. There is a potential trade here for me. So I don't know if you guys remember Inferno. So Inferno mid. Let's draw it out here. So you obviously have the bomb site on A. So then you've got this little passage there. And then you go to spawn there. Okay, and then obviously you've got that little door there. And then that little outside passage. So I usually, if I've got a good spawn, I run for the peak. So flash over peak the guy that's down, coming down mid. So I get my peak, first guy dropped. They are rushing down, nading. I stand on the corner here. Okay, so now already it's one guy down. Tight corner here. This guy starts like shoulder peeking me. Boom, drop, 2 guys down. Next guy, I don't know what they say on the comms. Next guy rushes me. I go and stand here. This guy comes, shoulder peeks me there. Boom, clap, 3 down. Instead of running in here, I run and I hold this corner here. Next guy jumps through. That's what's probably the most godlike thing I've ever done. Jumps across to get tied to that wall. While he jumps, pop him. Last guy comes through, no scope the guy there. Literally within a space of 40 seconds. Sure, slash, we even had smoke plays and strats that we ran. It's yeah, we spent way too much time on that game. Our little squad already had because there's certain smokes where you smoke. Oh, it's a different game too. Yeah, I was global, Mark. I was global, then supreme, and then I didn't play a lot after that. I would just stick around like LEM supreme. But yeah, no, we played in some sweaty games. No, Mark, when I say we played that game, dude, I'm talking about it's actually unhealthy how much hours we spent on that game. No, I don't like CS2. CSGO, they killed the game for me with Counter-Strike 2. I got like 3k hours in CSGO. Yeah, I meant to. We overdid it. I think I got all of those hours. 90% of those hours were like in a span of a year and a half. And we just, we overcooked it. And then to constantly play at that high level, you have to, before you start, you have to go into your custom lobby, start warming up, go through your guns, then it becomes too intense, running smokes, running positions, then it almost takes the fun out of the game. And if you play at that level, you don't just go into, all right, let me start up the game, start competitive. No, you are properly warmed up, my dude. Otherwise, the oaks will flame the cuck out of you. What did Etty get? Keeks, but have you committed to becoming a full-on sweat on Red? I don't think you committed yet.
Nah, I need the squad, bro. Until I have the squad, there's no commitment there. You can't be a sweat, bro, when it's like 24/7. I need the team to commit. When the team commits, bro, we can work on something.
That's it. Host tryouts for 2G's Red Six squad. Can we actually do that? Chad, I'm gonna create a forms, Google Forms. We're gonna have the squads play. We're gonna have different. We're gonna even have an A and a B squad.
Yeah. We'll have the casual squad,
There's gonna be merch,
and then
2G's
there'll be
gaming.
the main team.
And if you make it, you also get free Prodigy membership. But if you get dropped from the team,
You lose
we're
the
going to have
membership.
your card details and then we're going to debit you for that month. Okay, out of our squad now, I would say I'm still new, so I'm gonna keep myself out of. I'll be a. Give me say another month.
If you have a KD above 2, you naturally you drafted for the team.
But
You get you get a booster pack. You're already in the finals.
Okay, so I'm thinking currently, obviously, Keeks would be number one. I think then Jordan showed a lot of promise yesterday when he was locked in. Slash, I would say, Slash is better than Carl for me. I think Carl's not locked in. Slash is more, and then I'll be fourth. So I think in terms of, let's call it the A team.
Jakes, but the thing is, it does show where your game time's played. So we can see, is he playing Gauntlet or is he playing Battle Royale?
So I would say currently for the A team, it would definitely be Keegs and Jords. Chocos, I think if he locks in, he'll become a number one. But I don't think he'll put the time in which you put into PUBG. But if, let's say he had to go full PUBG mode, he would become number one. Keegs number two. But currently Keegs number one. So it's Keegs, George, Chocos, and then between me and Slash for the A team, I would say.
Damn, I haven't heard of PUBG in ages. Nah, I think that's a fair. The other guy wasn't bad as well, but I need to see him playing a bit more. The perennial, what is
No, but I went. He's a little bit of a lone wolf. He'll join. Like I know Choco's personally, so he'll.
Choco was solid, but that's the thing, bro. I even said
Jakes
like,
is
if
also
you
not
have-
bad, but I haven't seen enough of Jakes. Jakes was good initially, but I need to see Jakes a little bit more. No, Jakes. You can ask Keys. What did I say the first time after I played with Jakes?
Nah, he did say he's decent, yeah.
Yeah, I honestly said.
Chad, like at this point, if I can play a game and we can play 10 games and 8 out of the 10 games you drop more than 2 kills, you've got a good chance of making the squad.
2 kills. That all.
Is it, boys.
Bro, but I do love that triple kill with the pistol when we landed. Were you able to view it, or were you busy being redeployed?
No, I saw that one.
That was disgusting. You,
Mark, it's difficult
Mark,
out there, bro.
that game is not CS:GO, my bro. This is what I told Keegs. What makes this
I've
game
won more
different?
games out of us though. Slash, I think I might still have more wins.
No, Slash. I've got 2 quads.
I've got 4 quads, 3 duos, and I think I've got 6 gauntlet wins now.
I just had one night alone. I got 4 straight in a row. The gauntlets with that sweat squad.
But Slashy's getting lacquer squads, bro, which is helping him a lot.
Slash, but how do you get 0 kills when you're with us, my bro? The callouts and everything is great, and at the end of the game, it's like 0.
Jake Steinfeld, cuck, bro. Cribbo adopted me. I still haven't even seen the bridge.
Edman. But I love how when the guys are like, he's there. It's like, where? Me, yeah, last time me and you asked you the same. There. It's like,
Bro, where's there? Chad, like, okay, guys, wait, I'm going to give you a little Q&A right here. When you're playing, this is your hands, okay? Your hands are sitting there. Depending on how you play and where your short keys are, your thumb's going to be on your other ones at the bottom. You're watching that. Right next to your moving button is Q. Literally, if you were shooting him, while you were shooting him, just tap Q. And it's going to ping him for us. And we can see the ping on our map. When you're just saying there, on a map where I can go 360, I have no clue where there is.
yeah, Mark, so the issue with this game is where you don't have that in
Jose is
CSGO.
on the roof. Meanwhile, Jose the town was 50 billion.
So with CSGO, you almost know where your parameters are, where you need to look. With this, a guy can literally sit 500 meters away on top of a crane. You looking here at the buildings, that guy is laying on that, what is it? It's a crane, eh? He's sitting on the crane. He's busy shooting you. You don't know where to look. It's...
Nah, Chad, I'm competitive. But that's what I said to the guys. Like, my thing is, for example, Call of Duty. I'm not there playing Warzone. Like, Warzone for me was a waste of time. Like, I did it in the beginning and then it was stupid. I don't play multiplayer. Like, all I play is ranked. You go play a few little S&D games, warm up, and then you go straight into ranked. So, nah, bro, I'm competitive in everything I do. Try range charts instead of time-based. They're a game changer, bro.
Range charts. Let's see. I do. Yeah, this is definitely sure. Yeah. This I'll try this, my brother.
What?
So all it basically is your left tick is where it open, your right tick is where it closed, and then obviously Oh, this changes the game for me immediately. Sure.
Okay.
Then you can.
Have you guys played Rust yet? I wasn't the biggest fan of it, eh?
Nah, I'm not.
Sea Trader or Ninja Trader? Alright.
No, Keys, I think we need to. No, I'm committed to Red Sec now.
Don't, bro.
Give me
I'm
time.
happy. I'm bringing the boys out of retirement.
Give me time. Give me time.
I've got two, bro. Okay, hold on. So we've got the one of the guys is coming out of retirement. So we'll have another player.
Was Iron good?
He was good, bro. I mean, he's decent. I mean, we got to,
How would you compare him to Slash and Cal?
he's above them.
Really?
Yeah. Sorry, boys. But these are all the
Boy.
guys that are in our rank squad. He can jam, bro. I mean, he was always a gold, and then after gold was it? Oh, it was diamond, then plat. Yeah, he got to diamond before. So nah, he's not bad. And then we have the other Chris as well, bro. Solid oak, but you think we competitive, bro? That man's competitive, Chris. But
Is he good?
I don't know if he'll leave Call of Duty though.
No, I've committed now.
Like this, like he's bro the one day. So like guys that have played ranked, you understand it. So ranked, bro, when we play, it's a circulation. You know the maps, you know the modes, you know like when we play points, you know how the points circulate. You know we've got calls for all the buildings. So literally like that now, we will have like a building. It's called Granny's house. So we have tunnel or we have back entrance, you have cannon, you have helicopter, you have whatever. So you know the calls. And the one day we played, and Han just started with us at this point, and he's like, "Yeah, I don't know how I know you like this." He's like, "Oh, you don't know anything. Have you just not played this map?" No, like I haven't started yet with this one. He goes, "Oh, you don't know anything." Oh. No, bro. Go run around in a private lobby by yourself. Learn the call outs, learn the map, and then you can come play with us. Don't waste my time now, bro.
Yeah, it's the same with CS:GO.
Because you're gonna make our levels start dropping because we're gonna take knocks on our points.
I never knew why they called it banana on Inferno.
I don't know.
So it's when you run up to B.
Yeah,
they call
Tinas,
it.
there's a WhatsApp group.
But please don't join if you're a cuck, my bro. If you are bad at the game, don't do it to just get our WhatsApp number.
Keys, add me to the group, please. Jexter, I have your number, bro.
No, we can't add checks, remember. Remember some of the other squad guys said they don't like checks, so we don't want to chemistry of the squad.
Conflict of interest.
Yeah, we don't want to. I don't know. Do you think we must add him?
Can I join if I don't have the game? No, that is a definite no.
No, that is a big no from me. Jake, so I have your number. I think I do.
Nah, bro, we're gonna build a good squad. Don't worry.
Hey, I've got Jakes. Let me add Jakes. Let me add Jakes.
You phoned me on stream.
But I feel Jordan's not committed yet. He's still 1 foot in, 1 foot out.
Bro, Garen, if he would join us, Garen's just a decent, like actually very good.
Sweat or not?
Yeah, also ranked, also was diamond with me. But my thing is, bro, Garen's on side quest. I don't know what that boy's doing now, bro. That man's living at the golf course, just out every day with the cars and the bikes. I don't know what he's doing. If you add me, I'll bring post-match orange slices.
Okay, Jax, you have officially been knighted to the group. Welcome to the 2Gs.
I'm playing Red Stick as we speak. Hey.
Chad, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not. There is trades here, but we are. It's only. Are we only an hour in?
An hour and a half.
Yes, and I've got to act the poof, Keegan.
Sure.
I'm with poof, my
That's
ball.
a stop loss there, my brother.
Nee, maar as ek van die stream af poof, is nie 'n stop loss nie. Okay, Chad, I'm gonna give you guys the source. I'll give it to you. Just because I'm a nice guy. Closure back below Asia high. Closure back above previous daily high. That there, candle here, candle there. That is your trade. Okay?
Add me, Chris. Got my number.
No, Tinas, I'm not adding you. You're gonna ask trading questions. Can't add you. I can't. No, Tino. Tino will be sharing charts there in there. First, send me how many hours you've got, Tino. Tino Bagadino. No charts there. If you say something about trading in that group, I'll block you immediately. Okay, so that's the one setup. The other setup is there. Okay, candle closure above there. So I'm giving you guys the source. Okay, source was given. If any one of these two play out and you don't join Project G, then that is a you problem. Okay. There you go, ladies and gents. That is what I'm looking at. Keegan, any closing remarks here?
Nah, that's pretty much it, brother. I'm also waiting. I mean, if we carry on waiting, it probably won't even take anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see what we can get in New York session.
Alrighty, ladies and gents, there we go. Let me get some more flame stuff. Alrighty, chat. If you want to join the gaming squad, please note minimum of 2 kills a game. Send us proof at least of concept. No proof. The squad is already quite tight. We might make a B squad. How many do we have now? We're 6.
Somewhere there.
5. It's me, you, Slush, Jex, George. So we're 5 now. So 3 more for the B squad. No, you can play console as well. But Chad, that was a good sesh. Still waiting. Unfortunately, in this game, you get paid to wait. So, where's the like a banger? We'll see you guys for New York. That is us, Chad. Now we just wait. Pete. Oh, wait. Do you see that reflexes, bro? I'm starting to lock in here, my dude.
You still dropped the horn, though.
I'm just a man, Keegs. I'm just a man. Chad, peace and love, baby. See you guys later. Peace.